Hey girl! Today I'm doing a short tutorial for eye makeup. You guys voted on Instagram, so I'm using from L.O.V Cosmetics the Acid Eyeshadow palette. I mean, like, come on, that's fucking gorgeous. I want to do a warm and gold shimmer look, so I'm using the red orange tone and the gold yellow tone. The tones don't have names, so yeah, but I hope you are going to enjoy, and leave a comment, follow me on Instagram, and if you already do, yes girl, yeah. If not, here you have my nickname, follow me on Instagram. We reached 4,000 this week, so okay, now let's start.
First, I use the anti-redness primer from Maybelline. Then I do my eyebrows. I use the NYX eyebrow pencil and normal eyebrow powder in dark brown. Before I use the eyeshadow, I first apply a bit of concealer. I use the Fit Me from Maybelline. As I said, I'm using the Acid Eyeshadow palette from L.O.V Cosmetics. I'm using the eyeliner from Essence. Take off your clothes, blow up the fire, don't be so shy. Use a mascara to brush your eyelash into the fake lash. I use the full coverage foundation from Maybelline. Then I'm using a cream contour stick from Manhattan and again the Fit Me concealer. I'm using the baking powder from NYX, but you can also use baby powder. I use the contouring palette from Guuurl. I used a little bit of blush from Essence. Today I highlight with the highlighting stick from L'Oreal. As powder highlighter, I used from Wet n Wild their bronze gold highlighter. For my lips, I used the brown liquid made from Sephora.